Hello children. Today let's learn how to talk about family. Let's see what Ammu and Bittu are talking about.
Will you stay with me?
Children, Ammu is asking Bittu a question. Let's say it together. Will you stay with me? Say it again. Will you stay with me?
Yes. Who are there in your family?
Kids, Bittu says yes, but it wants to know who are there in Ammu's family. Children, can you repeat what Bittu says? Yes, who are there in your family? Say it again. Who are there in your family? Children, let's learn some family words. This is my father. Say it again. This is my father. This is my brother. Say it again. This is my brother. This is my mother. Repeat it. This is my mother. This is my grandmother. Say it again. This is my grandmother. This is my grandfather. Say it again. This is my grandfather. Now Ammu says,
In my family, there is my father, brother, mother, grandmother, grandfather.
children, now you say it. In my house, there is my teachers. You can ask the students to share about their family members who live with them. Children, now I will ask few questions. You answer. Whom does Ammu talk to? Very good. Ammu talks to Bittu. Next question. What does Ammu ask Bittu? Great job. Ammu asks Bittu, will you stay with me? Are you ready to answer next question? Okay. What does Bittu say to Ammu? Good job. Bittu says, who are there in your family? Kids, let's look at the questions in the textbook. What would Ammu say now? Ammu says, in my house there is my mother, father, brother, grandmother and grandfather. Let's read second question. What would Bittu say to Ammu? Bittu might say, I would love to meet your family members. Great job, kids. Now you can talk about your family in English. See you next time. Bye. Teachers, I hope this video may help you while teaching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.